instead of sealed with peanut butter, but that's the way we're doing it. And then we light the fuse, and the top anvil will explode, or not really explode, but it goes up. And sometimes it comes down and actually hits the bottom anvil. It goes up with such precision. So we'll see what this one does today. Our guest anvil shooter is Jim Dotson. He's from Oak Ridge, and he's an artist and an art teacher. And I think we're ready to go. Are y'all ready to see the anvil shoot? Okay, we're going to light that fuse, and I want you to hold your ears, hold your children's hands, and it's going to be quite loud. So once we light the fuse, there'll be about 15 to 20 seconds. So, all right, so they're walking away briskly. So if you want to hold your ears, hold your child's hands, it will be loud, and it'll go up in just a few seconds. So we'll see what it does this time. Again, it hasn't been going as high because of the humidity, high humidity today. So we'll see if this one goes high or not. It's kind of a luck of the draw. We never quite know what's going to happen. Last week. It's going to be loud, so we want you to hold your ears, hold your children's ears, hold your kids' hands. Be sure and stay back behind that rope, and it will be loud. So just be aware. It's going to be about 10 seconds now, and it may go up high. It hasn't been going up very high due to going to briskly walk away. And so you, like I say, don't cross the line, put your hands over your ears. The earth will literally shake, you'll feel it, you'll hear it, it will be a loud boom, and it will be about 10 seconds now until it's... Very good, very good. Okay, congratulations, Mayor. You did good. Thank you.
That's a fucking like a crash over here.
Yeah, we wouldn't have minded, but there was like other, yeah, with the...
Well, 6, right? I think all of the 6 in the shade will take it. Actually, there's some over there. There's some tables over there. There's tables too. You're right.